Welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to increase yield into the cowpea plant which you are growing into your home garden or the terrace garden. With that, we are also going to see some of the maintenance we should do now in this plant for the good yield. And in the last we will see how to make the small simple trellis to support this plant and get the good yields. I am going to share all the information on the cowpea maintenance and care in this video. So to know everything in detail, please stay connected to the video till the end. Let's start the video. So now friends, you can see that these are again my cowpea plants which are growing into these grow bags. I have put 4 plants per bag and you can see the very good growth of this plant. Now as I explain you can see that the plant is now growing very fast. And you can see that some vining over there. Now if you see it closely, this is his first set of leaf. This is first node, second node, third node, fourth node. From the fifth node or sixth node, it is growing into vine. You can see one more plant. You can see that the main leaf, cotyledon, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Then it is start vining. Now for pruning, what we should do, we should prune that once it develop into the long shoot. So here you can see these are the short internodes and from here it is a long internode. So what we'll do, we'll prune it from here. After pruning, what will happen, from each of the node the new shoots will come out and each shoots will be with a lot of fruits. This is how if we prune all the plants, we'll get the 4 to 5 shoots per plant and that will increase our production into unit area. Now you can see again this plant and you can see that because of the height of the plant, it is getting down on the floor. Now if we keep it like this, the plant will get damaged due to walking and get some infection also. So what we can do a small trellis for this plant so that this plant will retain its shape into vertical position into small area and still give us the good fruiting. So in the further part of video, I will show you how to trellis this plant or support this plant very simply and get the good yield with a small area. Also you can see that lot of weeds is growing on the bottom of the grow bag. So what we can do, we can simply remove this weed and reduce the competition for the nutrition within the plant. So we can pull this weeds simply like this into grow bags and we'll use this either as a mulch like this or we can put it into compost bin. So this is how we need to take care of our plant for getting the best of the yield from these cowpea plants. So this is how simply we can maintain this. Now let us watch how to make the trellis for it. Let us see the method of trellising this plant. Now as I have shown you, we have done the vertical trellis over there. But here we are going to make the small support system and for that we require 2 things. One, the sticks and second, the threads. Sticks we are going to use this fiber sticks as they are flexible and can be turned round. So now you can see that we have fixed all our fiber stick into these spots in a art form. Now we can start tying up the thread. For that we have taken this thread. This is a UV thread, so it will not get damaged into the sun. Now what we need to do, we need to first tie the thread at the height of the plant. So this plant are around this height. So what we'll do, we'll tie first knot over here so that it will start supporting the plant right from here. So after taking this knot, we can extend this thread to the next wire. Here also we need to make a one round so it will retain its height position well, like this. We are just tightening it and fixing it up. Further, we will take it to the last thing and we can tie like this over here. So this is how we need to tie this thread. So here you can see this support and then we need to simply support this plant on this thread. So this is how we can make a simple trellis for this our cowpea plants. Now similar way we will do on the other side also. And after a few days, when the plant grows to the next height level, we will put one more thread into this and support the plant well. So this is the way. So this is a simple way we can guide our plant into small space and get the good yield. How do you like this procedure for making trellis of this cowpea plant? Simple way. Write me back into the comment. You can also use another method. If you don't have this fiber stick, you can use the small bamboo sticks and tie it around these pots and tie the thread like this, so it will retain the plant within the small space. Happy growing!